How to message first on eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can message first to someone on eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, open eHarmony and log into your account. You can use either the app or the website version of it. I'll be using the website version. Now there are basically two methods by which you can message someone. The first option is obviously through the message section. So simply go to the message icon that you can see on the top. It will display all the matches that you have on your account. Since it's a new account, I don't have any matches. However, if you have matches, you can simply select the profile that you want to talk to and then send the message. The other way by which you can message someone is through the Discover section. For that, simply go to Discover and then select any profile that you want to message to. By using this method, you can message someone that you have not yet matched with. So as you scroll below on that particular profile, you will find this like option. Tap on it. Now as you send the particular person a like, you can also send a message to that person. So you can simply type your message and then send it with a like. Now talking about how to message someone for the first time, you can always say something nice to start on a friendly or a familiar vibe. Other methods by which you can message is to start in a simple manner with a simple hi or something like that. Furthermore, you can also try sending some compliments if you like anything particular of that person, or if you find something of similar interest between you two. So by using any of the methods as you find appropriate, you can message first on eHarmony. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.